RIZE defines desktop industrial 3D printing for additive manufacturing applications. We developed the world's first hybrid 3D printer, a breakthrough combining two discrete technologies, material extrusion and jetting, into our own patented process called augmented polymer deposition, or APD. It's so simple to use. Anyone could run a RIZE 3D printer from start to finish. It doesn't require any special expertise to operate or maintain. And no build plate prep or calibration is needed. We provide one-click pre-processing. Sending a file to the printer is as fast and easy as clicking print. In fact, SolidWorks enables users to simply select RIZE 3D Print from the SolidWorks Tools menu. As soon as the part is finished printing, it's ready to use. Our APD process has zero post-processing, which means you easily peel away the supports in seconds without any additional finishing, chemicals, mess, time, or additional cost. This gives you a functional part 2 times faster than other 3D printers and 30 times faster than traditional machined parts. RIZE 3D printers produce parts that mimic injection molded parts. They're made from Rizium-1, our own compound of engineering-grade thermoplastic. RIZE parts are isotropic, which means they have equal strength in the X, Y, and Z axes, so you don't have to worry about how to orient your part on the build plate, and you know you're getting the strongest plastic part that can be printed. This is ideal for custom and replacement parts, tooling, work holding, fixtures, and jigs. RIZE parts also have a very low moisture absorption rate of less than 0.01%. They have low surface energy and a high chemical resistance to substances like alcohol, acetone, and acid. This makes them perfect for mold applications for making end-use parts like elastomeric seals, because RIZE 3D printed molds don't need a release agent. It also means RIZE 3D printers can be operated in extreme conditions, including locations with high humidity. Best of all of the components of our Rizium-1 material are FDA USP Class 6 certified, so they're safe to use and handle, and the RIZE process doesn't emit any VOCs. RIZE parts can even be recycled. This makes RIZE well suited for preclinical pharmaceutical and medical device applications and a variety of military applications. Our APD technology also allows us to print ink onto parts while they're being built, so you can print logos, instructions, part numbers, and dates onto the part. RIZE also produces the industry's first digitally augmented parts to integrate Industry 4.0 technologies. This capability builds digital rights management into physical 3D printed parts, creating an immutable digital thread between the digital and physical part for compliance, authenticity, and traceability. You just scan the QR code on the part with your smartphone, and you have instant access to the digital information. RIZE solutions combine simplicity, speed, safety, strength, and security, all for the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry.